For now I am going to show you the 3 ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max or iPhone Air, same process. So first way, volume up button and side button at the same time. So like this, if you take a screenshot, it will automatically save it to your Photos app. If you want to change that to Files app, you need to click that and take this and save to Photos or Files. Now the second way, ask Siri. Hey Siri, take a screenshot. So like this. Now the third option, open settings, and you need to open accessibility and touch, assistive touch, and turn on this. So after this you can use this bubble option. So click that, device, 3 dots, and screenshot. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.